Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the new chapter. Name of the chapter is Exponents and Powers. So we should know what is meant by exponent, what is meant by powers. So if 2 is a number, it is repeated maximum number of times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 repeated 6 times. Okay, 2 is repeated 6 times. This we can write as 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6. Power means a number repeated maximum number of times. So here this 2 is called base and this 6 is called exponent. Okay, 2 is called base, 6 is called exponent. If I write minus 1 whole to the power of 5, this minus 1 is called base. So by seeing this, 5 is power for entire minus 1. So 5 is called exponent and minus 1 is called base. Like this, we should know about base and exponent. Now we have some rules to do the problems in exponents and powers. So here the rules are a to the power of m into a to the power of n. See, in a to the power of m the base is a. In a to the power of n the base is a. Bases are same. And what you are doing here? Multiplication you are doing it. If bases are same and if you are multiplying, then you have to write base one time and you have to add the powers. So what is the formula for a power m into a power n? A to the power of m plus n. So like this, one more formula, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. A power m divided by a power n. This we can write it as a power m by a power n. This and this are same. These two are same. Here divided by symbol and here divided by you written. For this 2, the answer is, see, it is numerator, it is denominator. In numerator the base is a, in denominator is also base is a. So here both numbers are having same bases. Here also both numerator and denominator are having same base. Then the answer becomes base you have to write only one time and a to the power of m minus n. A power m by a power n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. It is second identity. First identity. Third identity. Third identity is a power m whole to the power of n. A power m whole to the power of n. The answer is a to the power of m into n. A power m whole power n is equals to a to the power of m into n. And some more rules are there here. They are a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. A power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. Okay. And next rule is a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Any base, if its exponent or power is 0, its value is equals to 1. So by remembering these identities, we can solve the problems which are present in this exercise. Okay. Now copy this and learn by heart it. We will do some problems in 4.1. It is 4th unit. In this exercise 4.1. Okay. In this the first one is simplify and give reasons. Simplify and give reasons. So here 4 to the power of minus 3 is there. What is base here means base is 4. What is power means minus 3. Okay. So 4 to the power of minus 3. This is, by seeing this, you should remember one formula, a to the power of minus m. Just now I wrote some 4 or 5 formula I wrote. In that a to the power of minus m formula is 1 by a power m. This minus you have to remove it and you have to write 1 by a power m. If you apply this formula for this one, so what we done is, this minus we removed and 1 by 4 cube we can write it. So now a power m formula, a into m times. So a power m means a into m times, like 4 cube. Here a is base, here 4 is base, here m is power, here 3 is power. So a you have to multiply m times. Here 4 you have to multiply 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So the answer for this is 1 divided by 64. No need of dividing 1 with 64, not necessary for us. Just you have to simplify like this. 4 power minus 3, the answer is 1 by 64. We will go for next problem. What is next problem? One see here. That is minus 2 whole to the power of 7. Minus 2 whole to the power of 7. So we have one rule. The rule is, in base you have negative symbol and exponent is even or odd. You have to identify even or odd. So the exponent or power is here 7. 7 can't be divided with 2. So 7 is an odd number. If minus is there, the power is odd. In answer you will get minus symbol. Directly you can write answer as minus. Next, 2 power 7 means here 2 into like 7 times you have to do multiplication. 7 times you have to do multiplication. The answer becomes minus, okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 2s are 128. So the answer is minus 128. This is the answer. And some teachers how they will say? Some teachers how they will say is minus 2 whole power 7, okay. They will keep here minus 2 into, minus 2 into, minus 2 into, minus 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. 7 times. Then they will multiply minus into minus plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus, minus. And here it is 128. 2, 2, 2 they will multiply. So if you do like this and like this are same, here what I done is, if base is having minus symbol and exponent is odd, in answer you will get negative symbol. If base is having negative symbol and if exponent is even number, in answer you will get positive number. Okay, like this. Next one. We will go with the next problem in this. What is the next problem? See it here. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. In first, third problem. 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. Okay. This how we can write, we'll see. Same. It is also in the form of a power minus m. What you have to do? 1 by a power m you have to write it. If you apply this for this formula, if you apply for this question, 1 by, you have to write 3 by 4 whole cube. This minus gone and this came to denominator. Next what you have to do? 1 by 3 by 4 whole cube means 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. 1 by same. Okay, 1 by. So 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Fractions, how to do multiplication already you know. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. So 1 by 27 by 64. This 27 by 64, it comes to numerator and the fraction will be reversed. 64 by 27. So what is the answer for this question is 3 by 4 whole power minus 3 is nothing but 64 by 27 by applying this formula. You can do in another method. Okay. So where I said formula, there you can write a by b whole power minus m is equals to b by a whole power m. Here minus is there, here minus is not there. Here you have a by b, here you have b by a. For this question, if you apply this, what happens? See it. So you have question as 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. If you apply this 3 by 4 should be reversed. 4 by 3 and you have to remove the minus 3. Next now 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. That is 64 by 27. These two are same. Okay, we can do in this method. Next, you can do second question. Now we will go with second question here. What is second question? See it. The second question is simplify. In first question, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. 1 by 2 whole power 4, 1 by 2 whole power 5, 1 by 2 whole power 6. So it is like base is 1 by 2, base is 1 by 2, base is 1 by 2. You have same bases. So if you have same base and if you multiply, you have to add the powers. You have formula a power m into a power n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. By applying this formula, you have half as it is 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 by 2 same, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 15. So no need of half into half into half into like this 15 times writing. Not necessary. You can stop up to here because he asked to simplify. He asked to simplify. The answer you can keep up to this only. No need of further simplification. Next, go for in this second problem. What is second problem? See it here. The second problem is minus 2 whole power 7 into minus 2 whole cube into minus 2 whole to the power of 4. Here also you have same basis. If you have same basis and if you are multiplying, I said to add the powers. So minus 2 is same and add the power 7 plus 3 plus 4. So minus 2, okay. These 3 if you add 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Now I said one rule, that is in base if you have minus symbol and exponent is even, 14 is even number or odd number means even number only. Then the answer will be in positive only. Means minus 2 whole power 14, how much you will get it? 2 power 14 also will get same. No need of multiplying 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 14 times. Not necessary. You can stop up to here. Minus 2 whole power 14 is nothing but 2 power 14. Okay. Now we will go with next problem. What is next problem? See it here. Next problem is third one. 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 whole to the power of 4. Okay. Now how we have to do? We'll see it. 4 power 4 I wrote same like this. Here you have one formula. A by B whole power m is nothing but A power m by B power m. This is the formula to be used. Now this is like this one only or not? So this power I am writing for numerator separately, denominator separately. So I am writing 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. Okay. Now what you have to do? 4 power 4, 4 power 4 cancels. Because into is there, you can do cancellations. What is remained? 5 power 4. 5 power 4 means 5 you have to multiply 4 times. 5 5 is a 25. 25 5 is a 125. 125 5 is a 625. So what is the answer for this question? 625. Okay. Next we will go with the next problem. What is the next problem? See it here. 5 to the power of minus 4 divided by 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 cube. So this is the problem. Here and here we are not seeing same power. We are seeing same base, but we are not seeing same power. So it is like a power m by a power n. You can write a to the power of m minus n. Okay. So if you apply this for this one, this you should apply for this. In place of a you have 5. In place of m you have minus 4. N you have minus 6. So I should write like this. So wherever a is there, I have to write 5. 5 power m minus n. M means minus 4. This in formula minus is there, minus I written. And n means minus 6. This into 5 cube as it is I written. This into 5 cube as it is. This is seat here. A power m. It is a, it is m. A power n. So in place of n you have minus 6. In place of m you have minus 4. In place of a you have 5. A power m by a power n. A power m minus n. Okay. Now I had to simplify this one. 5 power minus 4 as it is written, minus of minus 6 plus 6 into 5 cube. So here minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6. This already you know it. Minus 4 means you have to give 4 rupees to your friend. Plus 6 means in your pocket you have 6 rupees. The answer is 2 rupees. Because he will come and he will take 4 rupees from you. And the answer is here 5 square into 5 cube. How you got 5 square? Just now I explained. Minus 4 plus 6. Its value is 2. This 5 as it is I copied. 5 square into 5 cube. Again by seeing this you have to remember one formula. A power m into a power n. Formula is a to the power of m plus n. So 5 square into 5 cube. 5 square into 5 cube. So 5 power 2 plus 3. 5 power 2 plus 3. 5 power 2 plus 3 is 5 power 5. 5 power 4 is 625. 5 power 5 means 5 is 25, 5 2, 10 plus 2, 12 to 1. So you are getting 3125. So this is the answer for this question. If you do 2 to 3 times, you will understand this. Okay. Next we will go with the next problem, third problem. What is third problem? See it here. What is third problem? Simplify. Simplify 2 square into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. So don't cancel here and here. First write 2 square, okay, into, okay, 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. Wherever in powers minus you have 1 by you have to write it. So I am using here a power minus n formula 1 by a power. So it becomes 2 square, okay, 3 square, okay, 2 power minus 2 1 by 2 square, 3 power minus 1 1 by 2. Now this 2 square, okay, into 3 square is also okay, into 1 by 2 square is going to numerator and it becomes 2 square by 1 into 1 by 3, okay. These two are different. See, it is in the denominator, it is 3 is in the denominator. Now what will come is 2 square and 2 square, bases are same. Here 3 is there, here 3 square is there. 3 square means 3 into 3, 1 3 is there in the denominator, cancels. And here 3 into, this 3 I wrote here, 2 square into 2 square. So bases are equal and you are multiplying, powers must be added. So 2 power 2 plus 2, 3 into 2 power 4, 2 power 2 plus 2 means 2 plus 2 means 4. 3 into 2 power 4, don't do multiplication, 3 to the 6, see here. 3 into 2 power 4, you should not write 3 to the 6 power 4, you should not write like this. First, simplify 2 power 4. What is the meaning of 2 power 4? 2 into 4 times you have to write it. 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this 3 I wrote as it is. 2 power 4 means 16. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16. 16 3 is the 48. So this is the answer. So remaining you do it. We'll see in the next class.